How to fix Shopify store unavailable. So first, you might want to check if Shopify is down right now. So what you want to do is just open a new tab, since this is the first one that you can do. Then just search for is Shopify. And just click on this Shopify status here. And if they say that all systems are operational, then all is good. So if that doesn't fix your problem, you might want to check if your trial has ended and you didn't actually pick a plan yet. So what you want to do is just click on online store, then just click on pick a plan here. Then what you want to do is just pick any of the plans here so that your online store would be operational again. So if that doesn't work as well, maybe your online store is password protected. So what you want to do is click on online store, preferences, then scroll down, and as you can see, mine is grayed out since I don't have a plan. But once you have a plan, you can actually uncheck this so you don't restrict access to your visitors with passwords. Then just click on save, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.